Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating the backup file and the environment. Check path, file size, and run a quick checksum. Once done, confirm the target SQL Server version matches or is compatible, and make sure you have sufficient disk space. Now place the database into single-user mode or plan to use with replace to override an existing database. This prevents connection conflicts during restore. Also verify service account permissions, so the restore can read and write files without permission failures. Next, run restore verifiably to confirm backup readability, then prepare a restore database statement with explicit move options for each data and log file to appropriate paths. Once the full backup is applied, sequence any differential and transaction log backups in chronological order so you maintain transactional integrity. Monitor the SQL Server error log and the restore completion percentage. If you need the database online for users, decide between with recovery or with recovery to allow additional log restores. To complete, execute the final restore with recovery to make the database available, then run dbcc checkdb to validate consistency. Once verified, restore orphaned logins and scheduled jobs, update connection strings, and reset the recovery model to its original state. Make sure to back up the database after successful restore. If anything fails, a common troubleshooting tip is to check the backup chain and file integrity first. Corrupted or out-of-order log backups are often the cause of restore failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.